Hey everyone, it's James from FunFoods, and today I'm going to show you how to make this turkey flavored ice cream. Now this is perfect for Thanksgiving. Make it for a Thanksgiving dessert. Keep watching and I'll show you step by step how to make this. Now we need to make our turkey flavoring. Now in order to do this, I'm going to take the turkey I just got done making, the whole turkey. I saved the turkey drippings and I'm going to use a 1/4 cup of those drippings into a blender or a food processor, as long as it's strong. I also cut up some regular white meat and some dark meat and some of the fat from like the skin. So I think that's going to give us the best flavor. And I'm only using about a 1/4 cup of the meat as well. Put that in there. So my idea is to pulse this until it's that flavor consistency. And then I think that'll give us that really strong turkey flavor. I mean, it is turkey, so it should taste like turkey, but I want the flavor to be really strong so when I put it in the mix, it will come through. Now let's take a look at it and see what it looks like. Okay, so the big chunks have been crunched up and it's mostly a liquid state now. I think this will be fine as our flavoring, but we have to try it out to see. So the first thing we need to do to make this is start off with a large bowl. To that, we're going to add 2 cups of heavy whipping cream. Just whisk this up until it forms stiff peaks. All right, so once this forms stiff peaks, now what we gotta do is add our sweetened condensed milk. Let's add 1 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk and just fold this in. Now, once that's folded in, we're gonna come to our turkey flavoring, which is like a turkey puree, really. Let's just scoop that out. And I'm also adding about 1/8 of a cup of turkey drippings, just the drippings by itself, and fold that in. Now we're going to bring in our freezer safe dish and just add this to the dish. Just tap it down. Just put on our plastic wrap all the way down to the ice cream. Put our lid on. Put it in the freezer for 4 to 6 hours or overnight is best. Well, our ice cream has been in the freezer for about 7 hours. Here it is. Let's take a look at it and see how it looks. Looks okay, looks just like any old ice cream. So let's scoop it out and then we can try it. There's chunks of turkey in there, a little bit of chunks, which is good. I actually smell turkey as I'm scooping this out, so that's a good sign. So here it is, our turkey flavored ice cream. Well, now it's time for the taste test. We're going to dig into this and see if it really has that turkey flavor to it. And here we go. It does. It absolutely tastes like turkey. I'm surprised. It has the turkey chunks in there, a little bit of the chunks from the puree that didn't like chop it up all the way, but it tastes like turkey. Well, that's it. This is our turkey flavored ice cream. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, hit that like button. Also, you want to check out my other ice cream recipes. Right here is my ice cream playlist. Click on it now, and it'll take you to some amazing ice creams. So I'll see you guys next time. Now, as long as the big, let's start over. So here's 1 14-ounce. I hope you enjoyed watching me make. Now let's click. I can't talk. Right here.